In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give clients access to their GoHighLevel account. By the end, you'll be able to invite your client into their own workspace with the right permissions, quickly and securely. First, make sure you're working inside the correct client environment. From your agency view, open sub-accounts, then switch into the specific client's sub-account. This ensures the user you add will only see the assets, pipelines, and settings tied to that client, not your entire agency. Once you're inside their sub-account, head to Settings. From there, open Team Management or My Staff, depending on what your interface calls it. This is the central place where you control who can log in and what they can access. Next, click the option to add a new user, typically labeled Add Employee or Add User. This opens a form where you'll enter your client's basic details. Provide their first name, last name, and a valid email address they actively use. You can add a phone number if you want, but it's optional. Take a moment to double check the email. This is where their invitation and login instructions will be sent. Before finishing, review the access settings. If you open Advanced Settings, you'll see the option to set a temporary password. Many teams prefer to skip manual passwords and let GoHighLevel send a secure invite so the client can set their own. That's usually the safest and simplest approach. Click Next, then choose the role. Admin grants full control within this sub-account, including settings and automations. User is more limited and works well for clients who just need to view reports, manage conversations, or handle appointments. Pick the role that matches their responsibilities today. You can always adjust it later if needed. Quick note while we're here, you'll find a direct link to the GoHighLevel website, along with a download link for the mobile app at the very top of the description. That way, your client can log in from any browser or get set up on their phone right away. When everything looks good, click Save. Your client will receive an email with their access link and can log into their account immediately. If they don't see it, ask them to check spam or promotions. Once they're in, they'll have the permissions you selected and can start using their workspace without seeing anything outside their own sub-account. That's it. You switch to the client's sub-account, open Team Management, added the user, entered their details, set the role, and saved. Thanks for watching.